Okay, welcome back to the London live stream. It's been a while. Yesterday I missed the stream. Wasn't able to stream yesterday. I was burnt out. I was burnt, like really burnt out. And we have a trade here as well. Wow, that was um that was rather fast. That was rather quick here. I will say the peep count has been lowered. It's not as bad as before. Right now we could get some 20 pip stop loss. Yeah. Um Refresh. Okay. Like this. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. All right. Let me. Oh, one sec. All right. So we're more or less just waiting. Just waiting on this here. It's not a big trade, but this is what we're looking at here. Yeah, more or less, not much at all. Not much at all. Well, we have some good buys above here. This is not even. Yeah, the ranges have been getting a bit smaller. The ranges. Oh yeah, this what I hear in the background. There is rain. Holy shit. Yeah, rain is coming down. Yeah. We could get buys above here as well, but we're looking at very small, very tight ranges for a little while. Ranges have not been the best, but still could get some nice moves. Still could catch some nice moves. Still could catch some nice moves. So let's see what we get here. Couldn't enter here. The stops would have been a bit too big. Could have put it here at the body, but I don't really like that stop loss sometimes. But sales would be all the way under here. I was looking at buys last night for Asian session, but the candle just did not stop. Did not stop, just continued pushing. So sales will be below here. Maybe we come up here, we reject or whatever. Yeah, but this is what it is right now. We had a rejection here. Come up. More or less a double bottom type something. Yeah. Oh, I need to do this. So there are times when my trade don't last this long, and the prop firms call it tick scalping. They accuse me of cheating. That's what really happened with Aqua Funded, man. That shit was so stupid. That shit was really, really stupid. They accuse me of cheating when I'm live. I'm live trading sometimes, right? And it's like I don't know, man. It's just insane to think about. Currently, I have a 60K account here. Um, it's an account with Odyssey. Odyssey, Odyssey Capital. Yeah. So current account, Odyssey Capital, 60K. Only took one trade on it so far. I think it was yesterday. It's two 68.50. So I also had a bad entry on this trade. Had a bad entry on this trade. See that there? That's that's 8 pips difference, 7 pips difference right there. Alright, so I mean, it is what it is, but yeah. So I more or less may not hold this one too long after. But yeah, that's the trade there. We're waiting. I don't know how they could accuse me of tick scalping. I entered the trade, volume coming, and the trade just play out fast. I don't know, man. And they do it by one like per trade, you know? They don't do like so for example, I notice all these firms implemented this tick scalping shit, you know? So basically they don't want people to use the um the volume like that. But I think what it really is, I think what it really is they like there's people that use like EAs and stuff like that that they don't want people to because trust me, like you use the EAs and stuff, you could take advantage of some of these platforms, right? Due to the low latency and stuff like that. But I don't think you can I think you could see if some another thing I'm sure you can see if someone is manually executing than using an EA. I think you can. So right, so if we get stopped out, right, so we got stopped out here, right? No, this is one reason why I don't really like trading before the open, by the way. Just yeah, this is one reason why I don't like trading before the open. But we should be able to recover this. This is our new zone here. And this seems like it's going to be our new zone here for buys. Yeah, most likely this gonna continue back into the range. Yeah. Most likely. And if it like once it closes here and the next candle probably go back above, then yeah, that's a bit more appropriate. Get a nice fresh support. Actually, I wasn't supposed to take trade on that. Well, it's only on this account. Next account is one proper trade per day, especially during time of volume. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it on stream too. One trade. I think we're gonna get anything here for the open. Um, oh yeah, Easter is next week, right? Hmm. Okay, so we have the open here, and nothing really, nothing really. Just gotta wait for closure above, closure below. That's what we're waiting for right now. I I may have some videos coming maybe end of month. I make a I make some shots or some, I don't know, man. Just thinking about making something. I don't really got much time like that to make all this content. Like that's why I just do the live stream. But I think I'll just make some shots from the live stream. That's wait. Oh, that's what happened there. Yeah, this is why sometimes it's just best to wait for the open, you know, and like pre-session you could get some nice moves, but I think I really prefer the open because then you know any confirmation you get for the most part, the probability of it playing out would be a lot higher. And this is the 1 hour. Yeah, this is the 1 hour low here. So we just want to break out of this range. That's it. We just want to break out of this range. Not even enough range here to take this sell. Yeah, let it come down and close below. We have a nice range here, right? Nice range here. This is a 83 pip range. So we could probably get about 40, 35, 30, 30 pip, 30 pips. Yeah. Bad. Bad, 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 bad. Oh, it came down here really nice. Ah, still have, I think the 15 minute. Yeah, that's not enough on the 15. Maybe we'll have to close below here. Maybe we could look out for a closure here. Right, but this is the main closure we want. But we could look out for a closure here. So in case price moves down too much, we could look for a closure here. That shit goes a problem. Oh, wow, that's a big rejection there. We tap into the zone. Yeah, we came into the zone here and we're rejecting heavy here now. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Yeah, I could put items on you still. What's it called? What's the next X? Ooh, nothing for her. So I think I could do that. Yeah, once we get a closure here, we don't must get the 15, right? But let's say for example it closes below and then price basically just shoots down without creating a top wick. Then wow, wow, what's that reaction, man? Holy shit, that's a smooth reaction there, huh? Smooth aggressively smooth. Let's pull back up so clean. If I was thick scalping, I would have taken this shit. This goddamn companies and them. Man, it keeps rejecting around that area so much. Hmm. It's a really nice spot for sales though. Mm, wow. Um, am I still alive? Shit. This thing dropped. Yeah, I am. Do apologize for that. Do apologize for that. Do apologize for that very much. Click the live button so the stream can continue here. Wow, it's still giving trouble, man. Or refresh the page, I would say. Refresh the stream if you can. My shit is acting up right now, man. My internet is acting up right now. Nothing I can do about it while I'm live. Nothing I can do about it while I'm live. Nothing I can do. I just have to leave it, let it try to settle itself. Do apologize for that. It keeps going though. Yeah, I may have to end this stream early, it seems, huh? It's very unstable. So we got a closure here, but we need our top wick. So you see what I'm saying? Now it's we want to break without the top wick. We need a top wick because then we have this area here, So if it makes a top, if it doesn't make a top wick and it close on it here on the 15th, maybe I might take a sell down. but we need that top wick there, man. Yeah, we can take that trade. Mm, yeah, so this is the rejection I was talking about. Like we will get some type of rejection. So let's just wait for. Think it might come back and make a top wick, and then yeah, even if it come and make a small top wick and it continue to break the low, it's better than nothing. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We got to wait. We need a top wick. Could have probably used the 15. Nah, probably not. 34 pips still a lot. So what we could do but wait until this current 15-minute candle closes. If it closes beneath the zone, then all well and good. We could continue to possibly take a continuation down, but we may have to could wait for the 1 hour closure just to add a little bit of confirmation. But I'm not like I don't like how this looks, right? We came up, we came up here, we closed above these highs, this minor high here, came up, pulling back. Now we may continue down bearish, or we create a support here to continue to move up. Now there is possibly our top wick, possibly our top wick coming in here. Everything has settled now, actually. Mm, mm. Don't seem like we get in that top wig there, huh? Hmm. I think one of these days I'll do a full stream, like um, like a 24-hour stream or something like that. I'll try to. It's gonna be hard. I'll try to. You won't see me for the entire time, but yeah, I'll come on for the session, stream, um, then while we AFK. I would have really liked if we created a top quick here though. Not really busy to take a next trade. I need proper confirmation, yeah. hmm That's all we need here. What would be awesome if we get a bullish closure here? In the next 30 minutes, close is bearish. Next 15 minutes, sorry, close is bearish. That would be a very good confirmation to help price continue to push down if it wants to go down. That would be a nice confirmation to see. That would be a very nice confirmation to see. That price line is basically, yeah, 32.20, yeah, 32.20. At least we close below it. Get a little wick up here, close bullish, 5 more minutes, 6 more minutes. Now we made our top wick. Alright. Now if we come back down and close below here in the next 4 minutes, based on the 15-minute time frame, we come back and close below here, and then the break of the low, we will be in. Let's see what it's gonna do. Yeah, there we go. It's rejecting it. It's rejecting down here hard though. 32.17. Yeah. We're looking at a 53 pip range, possibly. We could possibly take buys in this range here, but we will need a 30-minute confirmation to do so. Right, so the 30-minute need to close back inside here for us to take a buy to continue this range. But I think we'll be alright for sales. I think sales is a play here. I think sales is a play here. It's been rejecting this area heavily though. But volume is yet to really come in. Like London volume is yet to really come in and break levels. It haven't broken any significant level yet. So I think we're still waiting on that. Right, so flip bullish here, close bullish. That would be nice if we close bullish here, like I said. Close bullish here on the 15, then the next 15 come back and close bearish. That would be awesome because then we would have a new resistance to help push price down. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I want to see. How can I do this? Can I add a, oh, there is it, add marker. Yeah, go live on your add marker. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so we got our 15-minute closure, which not what we are looking for. Doji, not what we were looking for. Okay. Not what we are looking for, but we're breaking the lows here. Mm, could mean a continuation here though. After creating a new high there, we're breaking the lows could be a continuation though. It's a 30 pip stop though. Yeah. I think at this point I wait for the 30-minute closure. I think the 30-minute closure might close back into in the range. I think that could be the play here. 1 hour is bearish though. 4 hour. Man, what the hell is going on with my mouse? Is my mouse dying? The hell? Okay, I guess I gotta look for fucking mouse now. Let me do it one time. Hmm. So this is what I was looking at here for this. So see, we created a topic here. I think I could work with this. Um, the break of the lows here. Oh, yeah, we're looking good here based on the 5 minute as well. The break of these lows here. I think we enter. This is showing up terrible chart here on trading view. This is showing up terrible, terribly, terribly. Yeah, I think on the rebreak of these lows here, we enter 5 minute, gonna close in like 1 minute. We create a new resistance to assist price to push down, and we also rebreaking the 30-minute low, so should be right. And we created a top wick here for the 15. Then we coming back and create this break its own low. Yeah, we'll be alright. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. So we're looking at, let's see, potentially. Ooh, didn't come down, huh? Let's see if it's gonna break its own high now. If it does, then okay. Like I'm not. I was gonna chill on it for a closure. It's 10 minutes again. Yeah, something about that level, man. It's really hard. Either way, you know what? Um, this would be this would be a big stop loss. Price is about to candle close in the next 9 minutes. So let's just wait for it. Let's just wait for it. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so there we go. So what we want here is a closure and then a break of the high to continue up. Simple. Simple. What about mouse here now? Um, need a simple mouse gaming, simple gaming mouse How did this 5 minute close? Oh, the 5 minute rejected. Hmm. Okay. We don't have a stop loss. Could use the 5 minute, but we don't have a stop loss. So let's wait for the 30 minute candle to close. So we could continue moving to the upside here, potentially. Hopefully it doesn't move too much, so we have a bit of range to go up still. Just wait for it. Nothing we can do. These three things need to be these three things need to be together. So looking at 80 and 40, 20, 170, 180 actually. Also 500, right? So that after. Oh, I'm getting it down. That's another thing. Right, so we have 1 minute here, and it doesn't seem like we're going to get our entry here. Yep, we're gonna get our entry here. So we have to wait. We will have to wait. Yeah, this range here is like 26 pips. And the 30-minute area is right there as well, like 15 pips away. So could have taken it based on the 5, right? Especially when the 5 minute closed above here. Could have taken it here, but stops was a little too big. I didn't like it. So if you don't like it, don't take it, huh? Look at that. The 1 hour con actually closed bullish here. Actually closed bullish here. Wow. So closure above here. We're looking at buys again. Closure above 32.27. We're looking at possible buys to come up. 40 pip range. Right here, we could take this trade based on the 1 hour, but it's a bit skeptical. 22 pip stop loss is really not bad to continue, possibly. Yeah, it's a nice stop loss there. 22 pip stop loss is not a bad stop loss. So this is based on the 1 hour, right? This is based on the 1 hour time frame. Anticipating there that is the volume that came in there, so we could continue pushing up into the 1 hour highs here, right? Possibly. This is nice stop loss, 20 pip stop. This is nice. This is nice. So let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get this here. Maybe this be my last trade here. I'm looking forward to the closure of the next 30 minutes. Well, the 4 hour candle actually. I don't know if it's gonna flip. Maybe. What I'm looking at here is for the flip. But we'll see. We'll see. This will be my last trade here though. Not gonna be taking anything else. I know it seems I know it looks crazy here that we just bought at resistance, but like, and these are certain times whereby, okay, is the timing of it all, right? Is the timing of it all, how the candle closed, like all these sort of things is what It's not just like that, It's not just like that. It's not just like that, man. Ooh, wow. So the same type of rejection that happened to the downside is happening now. By right, I should close that trade here. Come back to my and flip. Yeah, the flip. I like the flip. But if I'm to take two losses, I'll take my two losses, man. Let's leave the trade to play. To see, look at that. Yeah, there's volume in the market now. So we should push through these levels. We should push through these levels, yeah. I mean, could make a steeper bottom wick and then still continue to push up, or then just continue down. It does what it wants, man. We only here for the ride. Only here for the ride. It's a 2 pip spread on this. I didn't notice. Didn't realize that was more. It's consistent. 2.5. Mm. So let's see this here. Based on trading view, we have not too bad of a range here. And once we come into this level, everything should be set. Yeah, this was more or less a fake out. So it's 23 pips downside. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, most likely our stops will be easier. Seems like. Yep. Seems like it. Seems like it. So, well, I really do prefer it get hit than and close it. I really prefer it gets hit than I close it. So we are done. We'll be done what? Five. That'd be like five, right? Yeah, like three. So eight for the most part. Yep. For the most part, we done like nine. 900s today. Yep, let's go over 1%. And this will more or less be my trade for the day. Yeah, we're done today. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow, London session. Yeah, we'll be alright tomorrow. I think I'm taking my exit here as well. I'm still tired from yesterday, man. Still tired. So if we get a closure above here, we can continue bullish here. Right. So notice what happened. Came back and give us steeper wick. Yeah. Continue to push up. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Right. So I'm out. I think I'm out here. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, this is unfortunate right here. This is very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. I continue to push all the way up. Yeah, these hurt. Anyways, man, I'm out. I ain't gonna stay here and watch this. I'm out. Thank you everyone for coming out. I will be back tomorrow for another London session live stream. Take it easy. Peace.